Hi everyone, my name is Aqasha, and in today's video we're going to be making this 3-ingredient teriyaki shrimp. So all you're going to need is honey, soy sauce, and the shrimp. Now if you don't know how to peel shrimp, I've made an orange shrimp video before and I show you guys how to do it there. In short, just fill up a bowl with hot water, put in the shrimp, pour out the water, fill it up again with warm water, and then peel the tails off. Now here I'm just adding a little bit of oil, the Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce, and some honey. And there are no exact measurements, just pour it in to your liking. I put in a little bit too much soy sauce, so I ended up pouring it out like later on, and I cooked this on a medium to high heat. Now if you like quick food like I do, then this is perfect for you. Now here's a funny conversation with my brother.
Miss Davidson, and also Miss Davidson, I'll see you on my birthday tomorrow, she said.
Yeah, it was her birthday. Are you gonna tell her happy birthday?
No, I'm not gonna come to her house because it's far away.
I'm not gonna go now. She's not saying come to my house. She's just saying go on the online call.
Oh.
Oh.
I didn't know that.
His teacher was telling him on Zoom that her birthday was tomorrow, and when I said, "Are you gonna tell her happy birthday?" he said, "I'm not gonna go to her house," but I just meant, "Are you gonna tell her on the call?" So here I realized my lights were out and I turned them up, and then I went and I poured out some of the little mixture that I made here, and I started to flip them, and I think I flipped them about like a total of 4 times throughout the cooking process at least. Now when you see it starting to bubble and everything, that's a good sign because it's gonna start to turn into like this thick, gooey like teriyaki mixture. I don't know how to describe it properly, but this is what it's gonna start to look like after a little while. And here's just me flipping them again. I like them a little bit charred like that, so that's why they look like this. And you are done. It's complete. And then here's my mom trying to put a pepper on top, and I was like, girl, no. Now if you enjoyed the video, you can go ahead and like. You don't have to if you don't want to. Hit subscribe if you enjoyed it and you want to see more. Comment what you guys want to see next and I'll get to it.